Hi guys, mathematicians.
That's me.
Thanks a lot, Tony, for coming and helping me with that. Tony, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling 1,000.
She is. Today is the day, guys. It's a big 1,000 day. Let's look at our goal. Our goal today is we're going to be able to add within 1,000 using drawings and strategies based on place value. Okay? Tony, what do you have in your hands?
Well, I have sets of 100, it looks like.
How many do you have?
Let's find out.
Okay.
1.
Is that a 100?
100. 200. 300. 400. 500.
Wow. What else do you have?
600.
It's getting good.
700. 800. 900. 1,000.
How many of you said 1,000? I said that in my head, but I knew Tony was going to say 1,000. Friends, we're working with 1,000 today. Math Monster time, Tony. Please do it with me, would you?
Of course.
Are you guys ready to do it with me out there? Here we go. Math Monster. Math Monster. Math Monster. Awesome. Thank you. Whew. I always feel good. Because, guys, we are jumping into the deep end. We're jumping into 1,000. Thanks a lot, Tony. Go grab a seat. Glad you could make it today and do that counting. Friends, we are now going to be working in the 1,000. Don't worry. I always throw out that math life preserver for you. It's going to be all good. You can tell when we have 1,000, we have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 100s. That's a lot. Let's count that together by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Did you say 1,000? Both are correct. 1,000. All right, so friends, get out your whiteboards. It's always nice to have these ready with me because we're going to work on a problem together. I'm going to ask you please to write the problem 830 plus 170. 830 plus 170. If you are somebody that wrote it on your board like this, and you made sure that your ones were under your ones, your tens are under your tens, and your 100s under your 100s. Friends, when you're doing that, you are working within place value understanding. That's a big step. So friends, knowing where they sit when you are putting them together is very important. All right? So friends, when I'm looking at this problem, I think a lot of you right now are going, oh my gosh, I see a 100. I do too. Do you see it right here? With the 70 and the 30? I know, it's a 100. Friends, when we start making a 100, we know that we bring that 100 to the 100s. So friends, I'm going to do my totals above method. I know I made a 100. So I'm going to bring my 100 up. Friends, look what's happened here. Yeah, ding, 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 ding-a-ling, man. We made a 1,000. What's up with that? This is what I'm talking about. Deep end, totally with me on this. 100, 100, 800. Well, friends, 800 plus 100 is 1,000. Friends, we have a 1,000. 1,000. I hope that you saw that at home. Let's try it another way. Can you do me a favor and write that same problem? But this time, my friends, write it again, but we're going to do it by showing all the totals. So we're going to do it showing all totals. So friends, right now, you're writing 830 plus 170. 830 plus 170. Mrs. Seitz had 830 donuts. Uncle Tommy had 170. How many do they have together? Way too many, that's for sure. So let's do the all totals. Friends, I'm going to look at my problem. I'm going to go 800 plus that 100 because I know my place value, right? 800 plus that 100 makes a 900. I'm showing all totals. I'm using this method. And then I have 30 plus 70. Again, friends, knowing 3 plus 7 equals 10 automatically helps me knowing 3 tens plus 7 tens equals 100. So I know I made a 100 there. So I'm going to put 100, and then there's nothing in my ones place. I have no extra ones. I just have my tens and my hundreds. And so, friends, you can see right here, 900 plus one more 100 is 1000, which is 1,000. And that's showing all totals. So, friends, it's really important that when we're working within 1,000 and we're using our understanding, it's good to use drawings, and it's good to use any one of our strategies that we've talked about. Our strategies like a proof drawing, or new groups, or maybe you do new groups above and new groups below. Remember, you're choosing a method that's going to help you with 3-digit addition. And those were the examples we talked about. You're going to pick one that works for you. So friends, let's look at this understanding that we have. A lot of times when we're looking at a problem, it's not always going to be vertical, like those problems over there. These are sometimes going to come to us horizontal. And we know horizontal and we know the vertical. So if you want to take this problem because you understand place value and the weird numbers sit with each other, you could take this horizontal and change it to vertical to help you understand. I'm going to do that. If you don't need to at home, then don't. This is just Mrs. Seitz doing it because I need to show another example. So friends, there's my problem, horizontal. Here it is now, vertical. And then my question is, am I going to make a new 10? Let's look at this, friends. If I'm looking at that, that's my ones place. It hasn't changed if I do it this way. So 0 plus 0. Friends, did I make a new 10? No, I did not. Did I make a 100? Let's see, I have 60 and 40. We all know 6 plus 4, right? That makes a 10. So we know 6 tens plus 4 tens, right? 10 tens. We have a 100. Did we make a new 100? Yeah, we did. Of course we did. I can see it right there. Oh my goodness. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I made a 100. I'm going to take my new 100 and I'm going to put it above. I'm going to put it there. So now I've got 600. Oh, I know you're already ahead of me, guys. Plus a 300. I know what you're screaming at me going, ah! And plus a 100. Friends, we made a new 1,000. I told you. We are in the deep end together. It's exciting. Yeah, we did. We made a 1,000. So I'm going to say, yes, please. I think I did. And we have 1,000. Do you see what happened there? Let's try one last one before we leave. Yep, friends, this is important. You're going to have some work on that. Again, understanding our place value, huge when we're working within 1,000. Here we go. Got another problem. 413 plus 587. No, I'm not going to talk about donuts. That's just silly. We could talk about kitties, and that would be ridiculous. That'd be too many cats. So we're going to talk about shoes. 413 boots. And Tony has 587 boots. How many boots do we have all together? And that's singular. Here we go, guys. I'm going to take this. I know it's horizontal. I'm going to change it vertical because I like to see that place value. It helps me. But if you're doing this at home and you're like, Mrs. Seitz, I've got this, don't worry, good for you. Again, I could make a visual because a visual sometimes helps me. I could show all totals. I could also just be going above or below with my new regrouping. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a proof drawing. I'm going to make my 4 100s, my 110. I'll make that a quick 10 and 3 ones. My 5 100s, my 5 hundreds, my 8 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to count my 10s and then I'm going to count them by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Got it. And my 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got all crazy here. I know I'm making a 10. How many of you saw that 7 and that 3 going, that's a 10. Of course it is, Mrs. Seitz. Did we make a new 10? Yes, we did. Made my 10 right here. No extra ones. Just made a whole 10. Make a new 100? I don't know. Let's see. So I've got my 10. Okay. I do have my 10. I'm going to leave that 0 extra ones. I have no extra ones. I'm going to put my 10 here. I'm doing both at the same time. I'm going to add up my 10s now. Help me. Here's my 80. One more 10 is 90. And because I made a 10, I made a 100. How many of you guys are going, we made a new 100? We even made a 100. Yes. Whew. I'm going to leave that. Bring that over. My goodness. I'm going to take this 90. Look at that. That's a 100. Wow. This is a pretty big number. I'm a little nervous. Come with me in the deep end. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I knew that because it said 500. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Don't forget that crazy 100 we made. I know. I have 10 100s. Oh, and don't forget that. That always tells me 1,000. That's my kapow. Let's call it a little kapow when we know it's there. Friends, this is crazy. We are working within 1,000. Please take your time. Be careful. Did I make a new 1,000? Dear Lord, I did. I brought a 1,000 over. I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about all this new energy we're having. We're working in with 1,000. Mathematicians!
That's me!
Of course it is. Thanks a lot, you guys. Stay with it. I love you. Talk to you later.